Here with a tutorial on how to get BB flashback recorder right here, y'all. I'll try and show you what it looks like. Never mind, it's not here. So you go to Google, type in BB flashback recorder, and then you find their website right there. Then you click the download. It says 30-day trial, but it's not. Yeah. Download. Then you type in your email, james.owen444@yahoo.com. Then you just click enter, and then that comes up, and then you go to Yahoo or whatever your email. Oops, that's YouTube. Yahoo. Hopefully it works. Come on, load. My internet's really slow right now. I don't know why, it just is. Come on. Come on, come on. There you go. There you go. Then you go to mail. So it works. Load faster. Mail. Inbox. Blah blah blah. You know. And then this should come up. Click the download link. Click it. This pops up. But this pops up. So then you click to download, start, and then it should start. Then you install it. Here, I'll do it right now. Just click to download. This should come up. Just click keep, because Norton or your internet thingy will detect it. So this thingy right here. So, oh, by the way, quick tip: if you have Norton, click scan now. Just to let you know, it is recommended like once every week or whatever. So, yeah. There, it's record, and then it says that it's safe. So you just saw me download it, so obviously it's safe. It's not a scam or a virus or whatever. So it's open, got there. All right, yeah, and then it should come up. Install it, and then it should come up with this thing, and then it says like register. Just register now or register in 30 days, whatever. And then it so once you've registered, it should be right here. Yeah, this is what the register page looks like. Wait, no, already got it. Alright, so I can't do it right now, but yeah. And then it should send you your email, and it should look like this. There you go. Inbox. should come up like this after you've registered, and then you click on that, and then it comes up with that, and it says that, and then you go back to BBM Recorder, and then it should say register detected, and then you can go in, and then and so you can see, you go to file, and then you can go to options and change all that stuff. So that's how you get BBM Recorder. Rate, comment, subscribe, and yeah.